four different things that just kind of caught my eye. I want to start by talking about some of the no code apps that are out there. I have a fairly strong coding background. I did a lot of application development early on in my career. Really, one part of the reasons why I started looking at other careers and looking at data science was because I felt like I had done just about everything you could do. I was a specialist in the .NET framework, and there's very few things you can mention in .NET that I haven't done, that I haven't had experience with. So, looking back now on the software development side of things and looking at some of these no code apps that are out there, wow, I have really been impressed. I spent some time looking at bubble.io. I had a colleague approach me about an app idea that they had, and it made me wonder if I could point them in that direction for a no code app. So that's why I kind of started researching this. But I was very impressed by some of the no code apps out there, again, by bubble.io. I'm not sponsored by them.